The thing I love about research, or this research, my research, is the making. I love making things, and I love problem solving through making and actually testing things out so that I know when a piece of furniture I've designed is either in production or being used by a person, it's actually going to work. The reason I started looking into flat pack in particular was I was doing exhibitions overseas quite a lot and found myself shipping, large containers of furniture and thinking this is ridiculous, and started looking around flat pack and then sort of thinking, well, flat pack's got some great things about it, and it also doesn't. So what can we do to make these things better? I'm doing this through investigations in atypical materials, so using new and more sustainable materials in the place of traditional things like timbers. The part I'm interested in is where the material comes in, gets made into a product, that product can then be unmade back into that material. The impact that this project will have is to reduce, for one, toxic materials being used. It'll also reduce the amount of waste that's being produced. All of us are dealing with a major global issue, it's climate change. And whether you're dealing with it from the point of view of transportation, furniture design, medicine, we all need to be working on this problem.